This is the portable era where everyone wants a device that is powerful enough to carry around without sacrificing power. The 2022 iPad Pro punches a power that is at par with Apple's flagship laptops, and its portability is enough, making us raise the question: can the new Apple iPad Pro 2022 replace your laptop?
It's a serious question.
Find out in this iPad Pro review. 5. Screen and display. There are two screen sizes available for the iPad Pro 2022, 12.9 inches and 11 inches. The LCD screen used in the 11-inch model has a resolution of 2388 by 1668 and a maximum brightness of 600 nits. The display offers stunningly clear images with luscious, vivid, and deep colors. You also have a 120Hz refresh rate, enabling excellent animations across the user interface. The 12.9-inch version screen of the iPad Pro 2022 is ideal for a device you'd want to use in place of a laptop.
Really?
After all, the best laptops on the market only have 13-inch screens. The display makes playing games and viewing videos on the 2022 iPad Pro much fun. You can also do intensive graphic work with the iPad Pro 2022, all thanks to the iPad Pro M2 processor, which we'll be talking about soon, so keep watching. 4. Magic Keyboard. The Magic Keyboard of the new iPad Pro provides just enough room for typing comfortably. However, people with huge hands could still find it a little constricting.
Oh man.
When pressed, the keys offer a satisfying amount of resistance and have a solid 1mm of travel. This accessory is simple to operate thanks to its brilliant design and relatively sensitive touchpad. The Magic Keyboard mostly accomplishes its objectives, although it still needs improvements. The on-screen pointer is a tiny gray circle that is not even close to being as useful or responsive as an arrow. The touchpad of the iPad Pro 2022 also lacks the accuracy of a typical laptop touchpad.
Too bad.
As we all know, the keyboard forms an important part of every laptop, and truthfully, the Magic Keyboard, which comes with an extra cost to iPad Pro 2022, does not do much justice. We work hard to offer you only the greatest content on this channel. If you're interested in keeping up with the latest developments in the world of technology, then you should definitely subscribe to our channel. 3. M2 chip processor. Moving on, the M2 chip, which made its debut in the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air 2022, also made its debut in the iPad Pro 2022.
Wait, what?
Did you know this gives the new iPad Pro an incredible status as powerful as Apple's flagship laptops?
Yeah. Wow.
The 2022 iPad Pro now has even more groundbreaking performance and capabilities thanks to the M2 chip. It is power efficient and even more. It has a unified memory architecture. The iPad Pro M2 includes a 10-core GPU that can give up to 35% better graphics performance for the most demanding customers, and an 8-core CPU that is up to 15% quicker than the previous M1 chip. The performance of iPad Pro M2 accelerates even the most demanding processes. Imagine an expert graphic designer on the go, manipulating complex 3D objects, or a medical professional using advanced imaging and analysis. They will find this process easy, and it's all thanks to the iPad Pro M2 chip. Additionally, the M2 chip supports up to 16 GB of rapid unified memory and offers unified memory bandwidth of 100 GB per second, which makes multitasking seamless. Apple even put a new feature into the iPad Pro 2022, which makes multitasking a walk in the park, and we will soon share that with you. It gives a great laptop experience, so stay tuned. 2. Price. Just as we've said before, the size of the display of the iPad Pro 2022 is just about perfect. Thanks to its capability in the amazing iPad, you can easily run some of the most demanding programs.
Impressive.
But there's a problem when you weigh the iPad Pro 2022 price alongside the prices of Apple's 2022 laptops. The MacBook Air is $1,199, and its full-size laptop can meet all your requirements. The starting price for the iPad Pro 2022 is $1,099 for the Wi-Fi model and $1,299 for the cellular model. The cost is roughly the same, but add up the cost of the Magic Keyboard and the Apple Pencil, and you will soon realize that you are paying more for the iPad Pro 2022.
I didn't realize.
So if what you want is a laptop and not a tablet, then just get your laptop and save all those extras. Excellent advice. You get to save your money.
Thank you for the tip.
1. Stage Manager. For tablets to serve as viable laptop substitutes, hardware and accessories are required. But to put it all together, we also need appropriate laptop quality software. To achieve this, Apple added a function called Stage Manager to both iPad OS 16 and Mac OS Ventura that can increase your productivity with the iPad Pro 2022. The Stage Manager gives you a new way to multitask by putting the application you're working on in the foreground while allowing you to control multiple windows at once and bringing them all together into a single pile. The iPad Pro 2022 and an external display can be used with Stage Manager to extend the desktop. With 2 displays, the function truly demonstrates the new iPad Pro's potential by allowing you to run a total of 8 apps simultaneously, 4 on the 2022 iPad Pro and 4 on the other display. For example, you can set up your iPad Pro 2022 with your MacBook or utilize the iPad as a secondary screen by connecting it to an external display. If you want to use the iPad to replace your laptop, having the ability to connect to a second monitor is essential. However, we also have to acknowledge that there isn't much support for extra monitors. The iPad Pro can only be connected to an external display that supports USB-C. If not, you must purchase an adapter. Additionally, the iPad Pro 2022 only sends full-sized videos to an external display. It's excellent for Netflix and relaxing, but not much help when you need an additional screen to work.
Oh no.
You wouldn't love the interface. The new iPad Pro 2022 is a fantastic gadget that has laptop functionality. However, the iPad Pro 2022 is still more effective when used mostly as a tablet with occasional laptop features than when used as a hybrid device. The iPad Pro may eventually replace laptops completely if Apple is sincere in its efforts, but that day has not yet arrived. If you are keen on buying the iPad Pro 2022, or perhaps you need more insight before making a decision, watch this iPad Pro 2022 review. M2 iPad Pro 2022 unboxing and impression. So much power.